Hey there, Claire here. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a phone charm. The materials I used are nylon cord, beads, scissors, lighter and my bead board. I cut my string up to 20 inches long, but you can cut it to your desired length. First, I bond the tip of my cord so that it's easier for it to pass through my beads. Then I string my beads. You can design your phone strap as you desire. After stringing my beads, I join both ends of my cord together and I tie a knot at the tip of my cord. Then I trim the excess and bond the tip so that it does not lose. Next, I pull one side of the cord so that the knot is close to the last bead and it also forms a loop. Then I tie another knot on the first knot that I made, and I also make sure that this knot is close to the last bead. And there you have it, your phone charm is ready to use. If you want to learn how to attach this phone charm to your phone, I'll be uploading a YouTube short video on that. Thank you for watching. Bye.